Have you ever wondered how expanding multifamily portfolios can shape the dynamics of urban living? Welcome to the Multifamily Real Estate Insights Podcast. I'm your host, Sandy MacKay. Let's get right to it. Today, we're delving into a significant development in the multifamily real estate sector as reported by Globe Newswire. CEDARst Companies, in partnership with Kayne Anderson Real Estate, has expanded its Chicago portfolio with the acquisition of a 47-story residential tower. This move underscores the firm's commitment to long-term neighborhood investment and innovative multifamily living. CEDARst Companies, co-founded by Alex Samoilovich, Will Murphy, and Mark Heffron, is renowned for its focus on high-quality, experiential multifamily communities. Their latest acquisition reflects their strategic emphasis on resilient markets and thoughtful urban integration. As Alex Samoilovich stated, this asset underscores our long-standing belief in Chicago as a modern, globally connected residential market. The newly acquired tower is not just a building. It represents a commitment to creating spaces that align with modern renter expectations. With an integrated ecosystem that includes Proper XPM's national management platform and Lively's resident experience operating system, CEDARst aims to deliver seamless property operations and elevated design standards. As the multifamily market in Chicago continues to show sustained demand, particularly in walkable, transit-accessible areas, CEDARst's acquisition is well-positioned to meet these needs. The tower's location and design support contemporary layouts and amenities ideal for remote and hybrid work environments, a growing trend in today's housing market. With a portfolio exceeding 7,500 units and experience in delivering over $4 billion in multifamily and mixed-use developments, CEDARst's partnership with Kayne Anderson Real Estate highlights the confidence in Chicago's multifamily fundamentals. Their shared strategy focuses on curated residential experiences and long-term investment horizons, further solidifying their presence in this vibrant market. In the words of Alex Samoilovich, "We have always believed in creating housing that reflects the way people want to live, spaces that are functional, experiential, and thoughtfully integrated with their neighborhoods." This acquisition is a testament to that vision, reinforcing CEDARst's commitment to delivering communities that enhance urban living. In recent developments, StoneBridge Investments, based in Washington, D.C., has expanded its footprint in the Florida real estate market with the acquisition of Lux at 1820. This 300-unit garden-style apartment community is located in the Tampa region, specifically on Crosstown Club Place in Brandon, 8 miles east of downtown Tampa. The acquisition was completed on December 10th, and it aligns with StoneBridge's long-term strategy of investing in high-growth markets that exhibit strong renter demand. StoneBridge has emphasized the strategic location of Lux at 1820, which provides residents with direct access to major employment corridors, robust retail centers, top-tier schools, and a burgeoning regional transportation network. The Tampa metro area, described by the firm as one of the most dynamic and fastest-growing regions in the United States, is noted for its population strength, which continues to drive housing demand. Kees Bruggen, managing director at StoneBridge Investments, expressed confidence in Tampa's growth potential, highlighting the region's resilience and economic competitiveness. He believes that Tampa is well-positioned to outperform, especially as new supply moderates and demand remains steady. This optimism is mirrored by the firm's plans to undertake a comprehensive renovation program at Lux at 1820, which will modernize unit interiors, refresh amenities, and enhance curb appeal. Will Bateman, director at StoneBridge, mentioned that Lux at 1820 exemplifies the type of asset the firm is targeting. By modernizing the interiors and enhancing the community, StoneBridge aims to elevate the property's standing in the submarket. This acquisition further strengthens StoneBridge's presence in Florida, one of its priority markets, as the firm continues to pursue value-add and core-plus assets in high-growth metros across the Mid-Atlantic and Southeast. StoneBridge, backed by Amsterdam-based Timeless Investments, has invested over $1.7 billion in multifamily communities across the United States. The firm focuses on improving assets through thoughtful renovations and operational upgrades, all while enhancing the resident experience and implementing long-term value strategies. This approach underscores their commitment to creating vibrant, sustainable communities in key markets. In the latest news from Arizona Digital Free Press, Todd Wood, the Chief Executive Officer of Christopher Todd Communities, has been honored as a GlobeSt 2025 influencer in multifamily real estate. This recognition underscores the significant contributions he's made to the multifamily sector through his innovative leadership and impactful industry presence. According to the report, honorees were selected by a panel of industry experts based on their professional accomplishments, influence on the industry, and commitment to ethical standards and service. Natalie Dolce, the editor-in-chief of GlobeSt.com, remarked that this year's multifamily influencers are at the forefront of reshaping the current housing market. She highlighted their roles in spearheading ambitious developments, advancing innovative housing solutions, and elevating standards for community-focused investment. Mr. Wood is particularly recognized for his work in the build-to-rent space and for leading Christopher Todd Capital in acquiring and repositioning underperforming build-to-rent communities across the nation. Over the past 2 years, he has been at the helm of acquisitions, rebranding, and operational improvements aimed at enhancing asset quality and resident experience, all while maintaining investor returns. Mr. Wood expressed his gratitude, saying, "It's an honor to be recognized by GlobeSt at this pivotal time in our industry. We've spent the past few years focused on turning around undervalued communities and proving that quality and consistency still win." He also shared his enthusiasm about re-entering the development side of the business soon with new, innovative communities that reflect what they've learned once the market is right. Christopher Todd Communities is known for developing branded build-to-rent cottage-style communities that feature single-story homes equipped with smart technology, private backyards, and a focus on lifestyle and security. These communities represent a modern approach to living, aligning with current market trends and renter preferences. Thank you for listening to the Multifamily Real Estate Insights podcast. I'm your host, Sandy MacKay. See you on the next one.